Welcome to my English Story for Listening channel, where stories inspire, uplift, and guide us to become the best versions of ourselves. Today, we are exploring a heartwarming Islamic story that teaches us the beauty and power of patience, a virtue that is often overlooked but deeply celebrated in Islam. Patience, or sabr, has the power to transform lives and bring blessings even in the darkest moments. Stay with us as we uncover a story that will inspire and fill you with hope. Our story begins with Prophet Ayyub, a man who was greatly blessed by Allah. He had wealth, a loving family, and good health. Ayyub was deeply grateful for his blessings and used them to serve others and worship Allah. However, his life became a testimony of patience. Allah allowed Satan to test Ayyub's faith. His wealth disappeared overnight, his children died tragically, and his health deteriorated, leaving him bedridden. Despite such great losses, Ayyub remained steadfast. His lips never ceased to express gratitude to Allah. He believed that every blessing was from Allah, and if taken away, it was for a divine purpose. As Job's suffering increased, so did the reactions of those around him. Friends who had once praised his generosity began to question his qualifications, blaming him. Even his closest companions doubted him, suggesting that his sufferings were punishment, but Job did not budge. His response to their accusations was rooted in faith. God knows best. His steadfast patience became a beacon of light, reminding us that external validation pales in comparison to the comfort found in God's approval. Job's wife stood by his side in this trial. She too suffered their losses, but remained loyal to her husband. Despite the challenges, she worked tirelessly to support him, showing unwavering loyalty and love. Her role in the story is testament to the importance of companionship during trials. When she became restless and pleaded with Job to pray for relief, his response was profound. "I have lived in ease and comfort for decades. Should I not endure a few years of hardship?" Job's perspective teaches us gratitude and the significance of viewing life's trials as temporary. After years of unimaginable suffering, Job finally raised his hands to God in prayer. His words were humble and full of faith. "Indeed, adversity has touched me, and you are the most merciful of the merciful." Quran 21-83. He did not demand relief, but rather acknowledged God's mercy and wisdom. This moment illustrates that turning to God with sincerity and humility in difficult times is the key to finding comfort and guidance. Allah, in His infinite mercy, answered Job's prayer. He restored his health, wealth, and family, multiplying his blessings as a reward for his patience. Job's story shows that enduring trials patiently with faith and patience lead to abundant blessings in this world and the hereafter. Allah promises in the Quran, "Surely, those who are patient will be given their reward without measure." Quran 39-10. His story is a constant reminder that patience is not just about waiting. It is about trusting in Allah's plan and maintaining faith no matter what the circumstances. The story of Job teaches us that patience is not just about enduring hardship, but also about doing so with steadfast faith and gratitude. It reminds us to trust in God's wisdom, even when trials seem overwhelming. In life, we will face challenges, but if we approach them with patience, we will emerge stronger, more resilient, and closer to God. Job's steadfast patience inspires you to find strength in your own trials. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring content.